Welcome back to Adventure Freaks. I'm Ray, and you've been asking for this for a while now. What countries offer the best healthcare for retirees moving abroad? Many retirees worry about leaving the U.S., not just because of money, but because of healthcare. They wonder, will I get the same quality of care abroad? That fear alone keeps many from moving. But I have good news. Retirees can get world-class healthcare for a fraction of what it costs in the U.S. There are countries where healthcare is as good as or even better than the U.S., plus safe cities, beautiful surroundings, and affordable living. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 countries with the best healthcare for retirees. And stick around to the end because our #1 country boasts one of the world's best healthcare systems. Now let's dive in. Can I ask you a quick favor? Adventure Freaks is growing, but over 80% of you watching right now aren't subscribed yet. If you love tips on affordable living and retiring abroad, hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps us grow. The first country on our list is Thailand. Thailand is a country famous not only for its golden beaches, lush jungles, and vibrant cities, but also for its world-class healthcare, which attracts retirees and medical tourists from across the world. Bangkok dazzles with ornate temples and night markets, while Chiang Mai offers cooler mountain air and a slower pace. And seaside towns like Hua Hin provide beautiful beaches and a relaxed lifestyle. Thailand's healthcare system is truly impressive. Private hospitals are modern, clean, and staffed with modern doctors, trained in the US or UK. English is widely spoken in major facilities, making it easy for foreigners to navigate care. Routine doctor visits can cost around $30 to $50, specialist visits $50 to $70, and major procedures often run around 50 to 75% cheaper than in the United States. For health insurance, costs typically range between $50 to $250 per month depending on age and coverage level. Thailand's reputation for high-quality care is so strong that people from all over Southeast Asia fly here for major medical procedures. For retirees looking to live in Thailand long-term, the retirement visa is relatively straightforward. Applicants must be 50 years of age and provide a proof of income of approximately $1,800 per month or deposit roughly $24,000 into a Thai bank. Living in Thailand is also very affordable. In Chiang Mai, rent for a modern one-bedroom apartment averages $250 to $600 per month. Seaside towns like Hua Hin offer beautiful beaches and a relaxed lifestyle with one-bedroom condos typically renting for about $400 to $700 per month, and $600 to $750 for more comfortable options closer to the beach. Even Bangkok has surprisingly low rents, with modern one-bedroom apartments starting at approximately $450 per month. Now that's unheard of for a city of this size and energy. Thailand's healthcare is a real standout. It combines world-class quality, affordability, accessibility, and international recognition. Retirees can have the confidence knowing they are in one of the best healthcare systems in Asia, with private hospitals that rival Western standards and medical professionals trained abroad. Not sure which country is the best fit for your move abroad? The Ideal Destination Finder takes the guesswork out of the process. It's a customized 22-question assessment that reveals your top 3 destinations based on your lifestyle, priorities, and budget. Instead of spending months researching and second-guessing, you'll get a clear, personalized shortlist to guide your next step abroad. And it could save you thousands by avoiding the wrong move. You can get started now at adventurefreaks.com. Just scroll down a little bit and you'll see the Ideal Destination Finder on the left. Just click it and start the assessment. I also put the link in the description, or you can click the QR code above. Now let's get back to the video. Our next country up is Colombia. Colombia is famous not only for its breathtaking mountains, lush coffee plantations, colonial towns, and Caribbean beaches, but also for its world-class healthcare, which attracts retirees and medical travelers from across the region. Medellin, known as the City of Eternal Spring, offers perfect year-round weather, walkable neighborhoods, and a growing expat community. Cartagena dazzles with colorful historic streets and vibrant coastal life, while Bogota combines cosmopolitan city living with stunning Andean peaks. Colombia's healthcare is highly impressive. Private hospitals are internationally accredited, with many doctors trained in the US or Europe. English is spoken in major facilities, and private care ensures short wait times. Routine doctor visits typically cost $20 to $40. A dental visit will run you $15 to $30, and even complex surgeries can be up to 75% less than in the United States. Many retirees combine private insurance with out-of-pocket care, giving them flexibility while maintaining access to top-tier treatment. Colombia's reputation for quality medical care is so strong that patients from surrounding countries sometimes travel here for advanced procedures. For retirees looking to stay long-term, Colombia offers a retiree visa or a pensionada visa. Applicants must show a monthly income of approximately $1,000 per month from a pension or a stable source. Living in Colombia is very affordable. In Medellin, rent for a one-bedroom apartment ranges from $600 to $800 per month. Coastal towns like Cartagena provide beautiful historic neighborhoods and seaside living, with apartments available for $650 to $1,000 per month, depending on location and amenities. Colombia's healthcare is the real highlight. It combines international accreditation, affordability, accessibility, and experienced medical professionals, giving retirees confidence they can access high-quality care whenever needed. And the next country up is Costa Rica. Costa Rica is famous not only for its lush rainforests, active volcanoes, and pristine beaches, and the laid-back Pura Vida lifestyle, but also for its high-quality healthcare, widely regarded as one of the best in Latin America. San Jose serves as a modern urban hub, while smaller towns like Atenas and Grecia offer a slower pace and scenic living. Coastal areas such as Manuel Antonio showcase breathtaking beaches, abundant wildlife, and vibrant expat communities. Costa Rica's healthcare system is impressive and accessible. The public system known as the Caja is available to retirees who become legal residents, providing hospitals, clinics, and prescriptions at extremely low cost. Private hospitals like Clínica Bíblica and CIMA are modern, staffed with U.S.-trained doctors, and offer English-speaking care. Routine doctor visits cost around $50. Dental visits are going to run you around $30 to $100, and even major surgeries are significantly less expensive than in the United States. Many retirees combine Caja coverage with private insurance, giving them flexibility while maintaining access to high-quality care. Private health insurance for expats typically costs approximately $60 to $250 per month, depending on age and coverage level. For retirees planning to stay long-term, Costa Rica offers a pensionado visa. Applicants must show a monthly income of at least $1,000 from a pension or a stable source. Living in Costa Rica is very affordable. Rent for a modern one-bedroom apartment ranges from $500 to $700 per month in inland towns like Atenas and Grecia, or $800 to $1,000 a month in coastal towns like Tamarinda, depending on location and amenities. Costa Rica's healthcare remains a major highlight. It combines affordability, accessibility, and experienced medical professionals, giving retirees confidence that top-tier care is always within reach. Next up on our list is Portugal. Portugal is a place with sunny beaches, cobblestone streets, vineyards, and historic cities. Lisbon offers lively cultural experiences and ocean views, while Porto charms with riverside history and renowned wine culture. And the Algarve region boasts some of Europe's most beautiful beaches with warm weather and laid-back coastal living. Portugal's healthcare system is highly rated in Europe and delivers excellent outcomes at far lower costs than the U.S. Residents have access to the public system, SNS, providing universal coverage for essential care, while private hospitals offer modern facilities, English-speaking doctors, and U.S.-Europe-trained specialists. Routine visits cost around $30 to $50, with hospital stays, surgeries, and prescriptions all far more affordable than in the U.S. Private health insurance for retirees typically ranges from $50 to $200 per month depending on age and coverage. And here's what's important for anyone who still believes the U.S. has the best health care. Recent international studies, including a 2024 data from the Commonwealth Fund, rank U.S. last among high-income nations on access, equity, and health outcomes, even though it spends far more per person than any other country. By contrast, Portugal consistently exceeds OECD averages for life expectancy, preventable and treatable mortality rates, and healthcare coverage. In other words, retirees can get reliable, high-quality care for a fraction of the cost while avoiding the financial risk many face in the U.S. For housing and living costs, a one-bedroom apartment in Lisbon or Porto typically costs $1,000 to $1,200 per month, while smaller towns or coastal regions in the Algarve are cheaper but still offer excellent amenities and healthcare access. Getting residency here in Portugal is straightforward for retirees. You'll need to apply for the D7 visa, which requires a proof of income of approximately $1,000 per month of a pension or passive income. Portugal offers a winning combination of safety, culture, affordability, and top-notch healthcare. Expats enjoy historic sites, sun-drenched beaches, scenic vineyards, and vibrant festivals, all while knowing that if a health issue arises, they're covered at a fraction of U.S. costs. And finally, we've arrived at our number one pick, and it is France. France is the ultimate pick for retirees seeking world-class healthcare, peace of mind, and an extraordinary lifestyle. France is consistently ranked as having the best healthcare system in Europe, with hospitals that are modern, highly regulated, and staffed with U.S. or European-trained doctors. Both public and private systems offer seamless access to care, life expectancy is among the highest in Europe, and rates of preventable and treatable deaths are well below the OECD average, meaning retirees can live with confidence knowing that high-quality care is always available at far lower costs than in the U.S. Healthcare costs remain extremely reasonable. A general practitioner visit typically costs $25 to $30. Prescriptions are low cost, and even hospital stays are far more affordable than in the U.S. Many retirees choose supplemental private insurance for extra convenience, typically ranging from $50 to $200 per month, depending on age and coverage. And one of the most impressive things about retiring in France is how accessible it is through the long-term visitor visa. Retirees need to show a proof of a monthly income of roughly $1,500 per month, or $18,000 per year to qualify. This makes France an exceptionally realistic option for retirees who want world-class healthcare, safety, and quality of life without complicated or expensive residency process. When it comes to housing, France has options for a variety of lifestyles and budgets. In the outskirts of Paris, for example, you can still find one-bedroom apartment rentals starting at approximately $1,000 per month, while smaller cities like Bordeaux or Annecy offer charming historic neighborhoods, riverside living, and apartments from $800 to $1,200 per month, depending on location and amenities. France delivers world-class medical care consistently ranked among the very best in the world. For retirees considering a move abroad, that means peace of mind. Top-tier healthcare is readily available. Add rolling vineyards, historic villages, alpine mountains, Mediterranean beaches, charming cafes, and you get a lifestyle that blends safety, culture, beauty, and affordable living with total reassurance about your health. So there you have it, our top 5 countries with the best healthcare for retirees: Thailand, Colombia, Costa Rica, Portugal, and France. If healthcare is your number one worry about moving abroad, these countries prove you don't have to stay trapped in the U.S. You can retire with confidence, knowing you'll have world-class care, affordability, and peace of mind, all while enjoying stunning landscapes, vibrant cities, and incredible lifestyles. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It helps our channel continue producing videos like this. And don't forget to visit adventurefreaks.com, our online resource for everything you need for exploring and moving abroad. If you'd like to reach out to me, you can email me or you can book a consultation through adventurefreaks.com. I'd love to connect with you. And as always, thank you for viewing. I'm Ray with Adventure Freaks, showing you how to live better for less.